Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make ham and cheese tortilla wrap. Okay, so we need cheese slices, ham slices, the tortilla, and then the shredded cheese, lettuce, and then mayonnaise. Okay guys, okay, and then the cheese slices, and then cheese slices, and then shredded cheese, lettuce. Okay, and then we're gonna wrap. Okay guys, this is it, and we're gonna put like that. Repeat the process lang guys. Okay, and then sliced cheese, shredded cheese, okay, and then wrap it, roll it. Okay, so this is our second. Okay guys, so it's done. We're gonna cook it outside. Okay, okay, 2x2 first. Okay, so I'm gonna get it na, and then the other one. Okay, ham and cheese tortilla wrap, it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna slice it. Okay guys, look at that one. It's super yummy, but it's cheese. Okay, okay guys, I'm going to slice just a little because it's super hot. Okay, okay, I'm gonna taste that one. Okay, it's yummy, fast and snack. Okay. Look at the lettuce and then the cheese. Okay. So this is it, our ham and cheese tortilla wrap. It's done and it's super yummy guys. Look at the cheese, and then there's the lettuce. Okay, it's super yummy guys. So that's it, good for breakfast or for snacks. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Brew Jack, to my Instagram, D_Brew_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.